Looking for the best GPU for your next gaming rig or upgrade? Stick around as we break down the top 5 cards in the game right now, from budget beasts to the absolute performance king. Let's kick things off with the most affordable option on our list, the Gigabyte AMD Radeon RX 7600 Gaming OC. Sitting at the entry-level spot, this card offers solid 1080p performance without breaking the bank. It's designed for gamers who want to enjoy today's titles on medium to high settings without going overboard on price or power. Now, despite its lower rank, the RX 7600 still brings some cool stuff to the table. The triple fan wind force cooling keeps things chill under pressure, and the RGB fusion lighting gives your rig a nice custom vibe. It's also compact enough to fit in most cases, making it a decent choice for smaller setups or budget builds. But here's where it falls short. With just 8 gigs of memory and a 128-bit memory bus, you might start hitting performance walls in heavier games or multitasking scenarios. Compared to its rivals, bandwidth is limited, and there's no standout feature like AI upscaling or ray tracing enhancements to boost visuals. If you're on a strict budget and mostly game at 1080p, the RX 7600 is a solid entry point. It's great for casual gamers, students, or anyone doing a budget-conscious build. And hey, if you want to check out this card or any others in today's list, all the best deals are linked right below in the video description. Coming in at number 4, we've got something a little different, the ASRock Intel Arc A750. Yep, you heard that right, Intel. While not traditionally known for GPUs, Intel has entered the scene with some real ambition. And the Arc A750 is their punchy mid-range attempt to win gamers over. Right out of the gate, it's impressive for the price. You're getting a 256-bit memory bus, which means a nice jump in bandwidth over the RX 7600. It also supports modern features like real-time ray tracing and Intel's own XeSS upscaling tech to keep frame rates high. The build looks sleek too, with a sturdy backplate and dual-fan setup that keeps it cool and quiet. Now, it's not all sunshine. Intel is still finding its feet when it comes to drivers and optimization. Some older titles may not run as smoothly, and performance in niche or less optimized games can vary. Plus, its power draw is a bit on the higher side, so you'll want to check your PCU before installing. For gamers looking to break away from the norm or try something new, the Arc A750 is a solid wildcard. It's especially good for those focused on newer titles that support Intel's optimization work. And hey, if you're finding this helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more honest hardware breakdowns. In the middle of the pack, we've got the MSI GeForce RTX 4060 Ti. This card is a favorite among mainstream gamers, offering excellent performance at 1080p and 1440p with support for next-gen graphic technologies like DLSS 3 and ray tracing. Compared to the Arc and RX 7600, the 4060 Ti benefits from NVIDIA's mature drivers and developer support. It also brings significant improvements in image quality and performance thanks to DLSS. AI-powered upscaling that's perfect for squeezing out smooth gameplay even in demanding titles. Plus, the compact dual-fan design makes installation easy in smaller builds. Of course, it's not without drawbacks. The 128-bit memory bus is still a bottleneck, and 8GB of VRAM may not hold up well in more demanding future titles. If you're playing large open-world games or doing some light content creation, you might feel the pinch. Still, this is a great choice for everyday gamers who want a smooth, modern experience without going all in on flagship pricing. It's a dependable, well-rounded GPU for most users. Now we're talking power. Ranked just below the absolute best, the PNY GeForce RTX 4090 is a beast. Whether you're gaming in 4K, rendering massive video projects, or doing 3D design, this card handles it all with ease. What really sets it apart is that monster 24GB of GDDR6X memory paired with a 384-bit bus. That means lightning-fast data flow and plenty of room for high-resolution textures. It also features NVIDIA's best-in-class DLSS 3 and ray tracing, turning games into visual showcases. And let's not forget the Epic X RGB lighting. It just looks awesome in a showcase build. Of course, such power comes at a cost. It's a physically larger card that demands space and airflow. The power draw is hefty too, so make sure your case and PSU can handle it. And well, it's not cheap. This card is built for enthusiasts and professionals who want nothing short of the best. It's ideal for high-end rigs and future-proofing your setup for years to come. And now, the crown jewel, the MSI GeForce RTX 5090 Gaming Trio OC. This card isn't just high-end, it's bleeding edge. If you want to max out every setting at 4K or even venture into 8K territory, this is the card that makes it happen. With a jaw-dropping 32GB of next-gen GDDR7 memory and a massive 512-bit memory bus, the RTX 5090 is an absolute monster. DLSS 4 and ray tracing are more powerful than ever, and the cooling system? It's been engineered to handle extreme workloads without breaking a sweat. Of course, it's big, it's power-hungry, it's expensive. But that's the price of dominance. You're getting more than a GPU here. You're getting a future-proof top-tier performance machine. This one's for the gamers, creators, and tech lovers who settle for nothing less than the absolute best. If you want the top shelf, this is it. That wraps up our list of the best GPUs out right now. If you want to check out any of the products we've covered, all the best deals are waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more reviews and builds.